good morning. Welcome to another FABFITFUN partnership. FABFITFUN did send me over the spring 2025 box to share with you and show you all the amazingly cool stuff that I picked out to have in my box. FABFITFUN is a fully customizable box that gives you 6 full-size products. The best part is you get to pick out all 6 of your products so that you can make sure it fits in with your lifestyle and is stuff that you actually want, which I absolutely love. You get to choose from beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and even some home products. You get to choose everything yourself. Each box is valued up to $350. So at the end, we will tally up the total of all my items and see how much my box is worth. A seasonal membership is $69.99 per quarter. I have the code here, Shawn20, for 20% off your very first box. So if you're interested, grab that discount code to save some coin. An annual membership is going to save you even more money. It's $219.99 a year, but that means you get each box for only $55. That is a fantastic price. All right, I've already opened my box and taken a peek inside, so let's unpack and unwrap everything and look at all the details. For choice number 1, I chose the July Everyday Crescent Bag, made for every day. I chose this because I already own the July luggage. They are a luggage travel company. Their products are excellent. We took their suitcases on our Alaskan cruise this past summer, and they held up so well through the airport to Seattle, on the cruise ship, and then back again to South Carolina. Fantastic. So I really wanted to try this. The best thing about this is that it is cotton canvas, and it's completely washable. I thought we would test that out today. When I'm finished here, I am going to go toss this in the washing machine, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it gets out, because I'm super curious. This is like a taupe beige color, but I feel like it leans cooler. It has the gold July logo here. It has gold zippers, gold hardware. The hardware is fantastic, y'all. The hardware even says July here on the sides. The zipper is great. Like smooth zip, okay? And I know you're wondering, well, that's an odd shape. How big is it? Well, look at the bottom. The bottom expands open, and then it has a zippered pocket down here on the inside. So you've got a zippered pocket here, and look at all that space. I will insert some footage of showing you how I wear this, how it looks like on me as a shoulder bag, and then can open up and you can wear it as a crossbody, and it's just meant to hug your curves and your side and stay close. Because I don't know about you, but when I travel, I want to know that my bag is going to keep everything secure and up against my body. So I am very excited about this, and the fact that it's washable is huge. The July Crescent bag retails for $65, which is almost the total cost of the box at $69.99. So fantastic. The other choices I could have picked from were the Short Stories 8-inch frying pan in cream that retails for $75. The Diff Haley sunglasses that retail for $89. These are super cute. The Desi Skin Pack It All multi-purpose hanging travel bag. I did consider this one because we are going on vacation this summer, but I couldn't pass up the Crescent bag. The hanging travel bag retails for $42. The Maison Louis Marie perfume oil number 4 for $65, or there were 3 sizes of the Bala Bangles Ink Windbreaker that retailed for $80 in this beautiful, it looks like a sage green. For choice number 2, I went with skincare. And I have had this brand before, so I was super curious about this product. This is the OC Ocean Eyes Age Defining Eye Serum, 0.5 fluid ounces. Allures Beauty winner for 2022. It is a hydrating gel serum, addresses visible signs of aging around the eyes, a high-performance blend of seaweed, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. All 3 ingredients I look for. Visibly smooth the look of fine lines and crow's feet. So you're supposed to use it morning and night around the edges, inner to outer corners of your eyes underneath. External use only. I love that it has seaweeds and peptides. Ooh, this is, OC has fantastic packaging. They have glass packaging. Here's what it looks like. Should have a roller ball, right? Yes, it has a little roller ball. Their products typically don't have a fragrance, and I don't smell one. I love a cooling roller ball under my eyes. Like I said, I've had multiple other products from OC before that I have been very pleased with. The OC Malibu Ocean Eyes retails for $58. So just with the 2, with the bag and this, I have well surpassed the value that I would have paid for the box had it not been gifted to me. The other choices that I could have picked from were the Free People Surf Candle for $40. I was tempted because I do love a candle. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in either Peachy Love for $30 or Berry Adore for $30. The Love AJ The Prong Set Tennis Necklace in Silver for $80. The Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer for $38. The Lindsay Albanese Daily Laptop Clutch for $89. The Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Eyeshadow Stick plus Crushed Oil Infused Lip Gloss Bundle for $67. I was tempted by the Bobbi Brown because I love their eyeshadow sticks. Love, love, love. There was also the We the Wild Houseplant Care Essentials Kit retailing for $39. That one, choice number 2, you get a lot to choose from. Choice number 3, I went with a product that I already know I love. And I'm so thankful to have this back in my life again. This is the Molten Brown shower gel, bath and shower gel in the orange and bergamot scent, y'all. I first discovered this at a bougie hotel in Charlotte, North Carolina. I stayed overnight one night to help my sister move, and I treated myself to a bougie hotel and a spa day. And in the hotel room, they had this scent, and I have been obsessed with it ever since. And I've never repurchased the full size for myself. So I am super thrilled to have this Molten Brown bath and shower gel. Retails $35, okay? It smells amazingly clean citrus. They also had it, I could have had it in this Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel bath and shower gel scent, but I knew I loved this scent. All right, the other options for choice number 3 I had to pick from were the Moroccan Oil All-in-One Leave-In Conditioner for $30, the Crystal Haze Mini Serena Hoops in gold for $85. Those are super pretty. They also come in silver, but retail for $65, so you could have chosen gold or silver. The Desi Skin Overnight Moisture Mask for $48, the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser for $37, or the Quiet Hours Facial Ice Roller for $48. All right, moving on to choice number 4. I picked up these gorgeous, what's the brand called? 8 Other Reasons Bubble Bangle Set retails for $45. Look how cute these are. Oh my goodness, look how cute. They're so pretty and sparkly. I'm gonna untie them now with this pink ribbon because I think they'll really match with what I'm wearing today. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bangles. It's an elastic, yes, an elastic band with the little gold balls on it. One of them does have the brand tag on it that just says 8OR. 8 Other Reasons, 8OR. All right, so we'll put these on. They are a little tight on my wrist. I don't feel like I have chunky wrist at all. And there is no room. If you have any sort of inflammation, sometimes I get inflammation at night. I'll check back in with you and let you know if they leave marks on my wrist, because these are pretty tight. So they look beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but there's no room. There's no wiggle room in here. And I do not have chunky wrist, so I will check back in, but that's really pretty. These retail for $45. I've got you balanced on a bowl of oranges that is quickly sliding, but I want to show you 20 minutes of wearing these. And this is how tight they are. They've just made indentions in here. I might end up giving these to my 7-year-old daughter, who has a much thinner wrist than I do. So that's kind of sad because I really love the way they look. So for choice number 4, I also had to choose from the KitchenAid Fine Grater for $20, the Volition 2-piece facial fitness kit, which includes an eye depuffer and a face sculptor, retails for $40. The Sashu Beauty Stay in lip liners in pink and mauve for $24. I sound like a goat there for a minute. The Bala Bangles Ink capsule sliders, I think these are for fitness, for $25. The Bella Bikini and body scrub for $38. No, it's not Bella, that's not an L, it's an I. Bea Bikini. The DP Hue Glossy Glaze Sheer in $29. Or the London Town Ink Galentine's Nail Bundle, number 2. It looks like you get 2 lacquers, a dot and detail tool to make nail art, and a glass nail file. That retails for $64. I was almost tempted by the nail polish, so, because I do love a pink nail polish. Choice number 5. This one was a little bit difficult for me to choose from. There were 2 items in this choice that I wanted, but I went with the one that I've never tried before. Okay, it's the Nudist Exfoliating Body Bar in Dirty Citrus, or is it called Mother? Not sure. Mother the Nudist is the brand. Made in USA with global materials. 99.8% natural origin. It's a renewable and biodegradable wood pulp micro exfoliants. Seed butter, jojoba oil, vitamins B3, B5, and E, aromatic notes of white grapefruit, lit sea, and green foliage create a relaxing sensual experience. I'm very excited about this. I actually love a bar soap. I love a body wash, okay? I love a body wash, hence why I got this. But I also love a bar soap. And the fact that this one was exfoliating intrigued me. It's kind of a gender neutral scent though. It just smells fresh, like you're at a spa at the beach, or even like a cruise ship spa. And they're piping in some kind of beautiful citrusy, oceany scent. That smells really good. So I'm excited to try this. This is what it looks like up close. This retails for $30. All right, the other choices I had to pick from were the topicals, Slick Salve Mint Lip Balm for $16, the Bondi Boost Anti-Frizz Flyaway Wand for $16, the INH Curved Vented Brush for $20. Now, this next one is the one that I almost picked up, the Zit Sticka Goo Getter 36 count for $14. I've used this product multiple times before when I get hormonal acne and absolutely love this product. So I almost got that one. And then I could have picked the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked for $24. And choice number 6, I went for the Trina Turk picture frame that retails for $38. They packaged this really, really well. And this is absolutely beautiful. It is like a silver and gold frame. It's not completely yellow gold, but it's not completely silver either. I don't know how to describe the the frame part of it is beautiful. You'll be able to stand it up this way or this way. I'm thinking of putting a picture from our Alaskan cruise of me and my sister-in-law in this. I was thinking that would look so pretty with the two of us. She printed these pictures out for me for Christmas, and I just absolutely love this picture of my sister-in-law. So I think I'm going to put it in this frame. This retails for $38. It has that soft felt on the background. I mean, it feels very high quality. It's pretty, it's a heavy frame, and it already has the matte in it, so. The other options to choose from were the Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo for $36, the Rifle Paper Company Journal with Pen for $30. I almost picked that one because I love Rifle Paper Company. Parallel Cycle Support Pack for $40.59. I'm not sure what that is. Rose Ink Ultra Black Lash Lift Serum Mascara for $28, or the Widge Tier set of 4 dipping bowls for $29. Lots of excellent choices. Okay, the picture frame was $38. The soap was $30. The bracelets were $45. The Molten Brown Shower Gel was $35. The OC Ocean Eyes was $58. And the July Crescent Bag was $65. So the total value of my box was $271. And remember, your box can be worth up to $350 depending on what you choose. And I love that it's fully customizable. I picked out all of these myself. They didn't pick out any of these for me. That way it can fit in with my lifestyle. If there's something I decide I don't want to keep, I will put it in my gift box and gift it to friends and family for Christmas and birthday. Don't leave. Let's go pull the Crescent bag out of the washing machine and see how it looks. Okay, I just finished washing. Let's see what it looks like down here. Gonna hang it up over here. I mean, it's gonna take a while to dry, but yeah, it looks nice. I don't think the hardware isn't banged up either. So, oh wait, just gotta let it dry. Let it dry.